everyone, it's Julia. Today I am making a whimsical pillow. Was inspired by something I saw on Pinterest of a design using gelatos, and I have not even thought about using my gelatos for so long. Do any of you do that? Just kind of forget what you have, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, I should drag those out and use them again. That's what this project is. I am just using my gelatos and doing random flower shapes, not thinking at all about what I'm doing, just getting some color down, using one or two different colors in each of the flowers. For those of you who are not familiar with the gelatos, they're made by Faber Castell, and they are a color stick. They really look like lipstick. They're real creamy, and they glide on fabric really well. I am using just a natural muslin and a size of a 13 by 13 inch. This is going to make a 12 by 12 inch pillow. These are water soluble, but I am activating them with fabric medium. I'm using the fabric medium by Golden, but any fabric medium would work. The fabric medium is going to increase the launderability of the pillow, and also it gives it a softer hand. Sometimes when you paint on fabric, it kind of ends up harder, and the fabric medium helps with that. Just keeps it soft. So I am going over and I'm just really wetting this down with this fabric medium. And now that's wet, I'm adding more of the gelatos on top. Just getting another layer, and this is really going to be vibrant and really going to add some color to this pillow. The brush I'm using is a very stiff bristled brush. That works the best when I'm doing this type of thing on fabric. It just seems like you want the bristles to be a little bit stiff. Just filling in some more of the blank spaces. And now I have my Arteza fabric markers, and I'm using the color black and just doodling. I really like how the gelatos almost look like a watercolor, and so I'm just keeping with that. I'm not staying within the lines, just doodling. Again, not really thinking about it, just putting marks and little dots. I'm sure a lot of you are better at doodlers than me. I am, like I said, it's just something else you just need to practice with. But I am just having fun and just adding some different shapes and things to the leaves and petals. This is my fabric paint by Arteza, and this is the gold glitter, and I'm just putting it on and then taking the brush and brushing that out. Love the look of this sparkly glitter on just this fabric. Trying to show it to you there. You see it better in the pictures at the end. This glitter that just kind of really brings it to life. And now I'm adding the 3D in white, and I'm just leaving this just as the 3D look. And again, just adding the doodles. Now I did heat set this. I didn't show that, but I did press and heat set that gelatos before I started doing my doodles and markings. You do heat set it for 5 minutes or so. It seems like it takes a long time, but you just want to, heat set it. I'm not saying this is going to be a pillow that you're going to wash. I would recommend just spot washing it, but you don't want it to rub off on a nice sofa or couch either. So I would recommend heat setting that. And you can see the close-up there of just the funness. Found this great fabric for the back of it. It's something I had in my stash, and I thought the colors went really well. I'm kind of showing there how it seeped through. You want to protect your surface when you're doing this gelato work. And I'm at the sewing machine now, and I'm just going to, with free motion stitching, just outline the shapes of some of these flowers and some of the petals. I just thought the quilt look would look really nice with this, and so I wanted to stitch this. I just have the cream colored thread on, and I'm just going around these shapes. I do have my feed dogs dropped, and I'm using my quilting foot for this, or my free motion foot. And now it's on to finishing my pillow, and I'm going to link a video up on the iCards and down below on how I finish off my pillows and what stuffing I like to use and all that good stuff. This is just really basic. I am going to just leave an opening to fill it. I take about 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 inch seam allowance going all the way around. This video that I'm going to link will show all that. I also use my sewing machine to close the opening, and I use my zipper foot to do that. And that is also in that video. And here's some close-ups. You can sort of see a little bit better of that sparkly that I added. This was just a really fun project. I hope you have a chance to try it. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. Bye for now.